In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Todoist Chrome extension. Let's start with a common scenario. You're browsing the web, jumping from one site to another, and suddenly you remember you have tons of tasks to organize. It can be quite a hassle, right? Well, not anymore. With the Todoist Chrome extension, you can add tasks from anywhere on the web directly into your Todoist account. Here's how you can get started and make your web browsing more productive. First up, let's get the extension installed. Begin by opening your Chrome browser. You might already be familiar with Google, the go-to search engine for pretty much everything. Head over to Google's homepage. You can simply type Google into the address bar if it's not already your homepage. Now, in the Google search bar, type in Todoist Chrome extension. This will trigger a search that brings up various results. Among these, you're looking for the one that takes you directly to the Chrome web store. It's here that you'll find the official Todoist extension for Chrome. The link should read something like Todoist for Chrome Web Store. Click on this link. Once you're on the extensions page in the Chrome Web Store, you should see a layout showcasing the Todoist extension. There'll be a brief description, user reviews, and screenshots to give you a better idea of what the extension looks like and how it functions. To add the extension to your browser, look for the Add to Chrome button. It's usually located right on the page, and clicking it will prompt the extension to download and install automatically into your Chrome browser. After the installation is complete, you'll notice a new Todoist icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser, right next to the address bar. This little icon is your gateway to productivity bliss. Clicking on it will prompt you to log into your Todoist account if you haven't already done so. If you don't have a Todoist account, fret not. Setting one up is easy and free for the basic plan, which offers plenty of features for getting started. With the Todoist Chrome extension now active and you logged into your account, let's talk about what you can do with it. Imagine you're reading an article or come across a web page that sparks an idea or reminds you of a task you need to complete. With the Todoist extension, you don't have to switch context by going over to the Todoist app or website to add that task. Simply click on the Todoist icon in your browser and a quick Add Task window pops up. Here's where it gets interesting. You can add the task name, set a due date, and even assign it to a project right from this window. The Todoist Chrome extension is smart enough to incorporate the web page you're on as a task link, making it incredibly easy to trace back to the source later. But that's not all. This extension is all about boosting your productivity without overwhelming you. You can use it to highlight any text on a web page, right-click, and you'll see an option to, add to Todoist. This feature is a game changer for when you want to remember a specific detail without having to bookmark the whole page. Lastly, customization and management are key components of Todoist that extend to its Chrome extension. You can quickly access your tasks for the day or any other view you've set up in your Todoist account right from the extension. This seamless integration ensures that you're never out of touch with your to-do list, even as you browse the web. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use the Todoist Chrome extension to make your day-to-day browsing and task management a breeze. Remember, organization is the key to productivity, and with tools like Todoist at your disposal, you're well on your way to mastering your to-do list like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your productivity game.